All right, everyone. Week one is down. I can't really see myself in the camera. It looks like I might be like my chest might be a little bit bigger than it was last week. But I mean, I feel like I'm the Hulk. I feel like I could punch right through this door. But I know, I probably don't look that strong. But let me go ahead and do my 360. All right. So the first week was it was hard to be motivated. The exercises weren't really that difficult. There were some exercises I just couldn't do because I was so out of shape. And after doing the other exercises, it just was not happening. Not only that, I did not work out Wednesday because I was just too sore. And that's one thing you want to pay attention to. If you're too sore, and you go to try to do an exercise and it feels like you're going to catch a cramp on the first rep or whatever, or actually I should say the first set, don't work out. Go ahead and rest another day. So I took off Saturday and Sunday. I did upper body Monday. Tuesday I did lower body, and Wednesday I couldn't do anything. My abs are actually still kind of sore, and they're not sore enough that I can't do abs today. But I worked out yesterday and I still couldn't do abs. It was my abs were just no. So I am hungry this morning, and that hasn't been the case every day. Just last night I didn't really eat a lot. I had to end up working out. I've been working out every day in the morning, but yesterday I was so busy at work I actually had to work out in the evening, and that just kind of threw me all off. I don't really like to work out at night. So that's pretty much it. These are the results. I really can't see myself from the camera. For the camera's kind of far, and it just kind of looks like my chest is poking out a little bit. And of course, it looks like my stomach is thin. But again, I just woke up, so like after dinner, I'm like, I can't even stick it out. But it looks like, which is actually saying something because I could stick it out before. I really can't stick it out. I'm just relaxed, and I used to look like a pregnant man. I feel like I still do in the evening after I eat and I get in the shower, but it's not looking like that right now. Let me see. No, I don't. I can't see because the light. No, yeah, not at all. No pregnant man. But one thing I'm going to do because a lot of people online have these before and after pictures. I saw one of this girl the other day though that was really really impressive. But I'm like, but how long did that take though? Like that looked like it was a journey. And if you go from being this big to like this, like chiseled and strong, I can't see how I look, but y'all get what I'm saying. You have this major transformation. I mean, I wonder how long that took. If that took you 5 years, I'm probably not interested. I don't know what's gonna happen in 5 years. I'd rather just enjoy my life and eat the cookies. But if we talking about a couple months, then yeah, I might be interested in that. So what I'm going to do to prove that this is a weekly thing, I'm going to do my best to always upload videos on Friday. Typically at work, our Fridays are pretty, you know, they it's pretty casual. I won't have a whole lot to do, so I'm going to try to upload the videos on Fridays. And I'm not going to shave, nor am I going to like cut my hair, so that y'all can see the progression in my face and my hair and know like, nah, dude, you actually really did that in 4 weeks. Another thing I wanted to note is that I haven't worked out yet today. It's early in the morning. I'm about to work out. On Fridays, I'm not going to. When I make these videos, it'll always be before my Friday workout. So I'm about to do legs today. I know that's all. Last week I said that you start off doing legs. Always start off the whole process on a Wednesday, so that you can work out legs, because legs is never as strenuous as upper body. Legs to warm your body up. Then Thursday do upper body, and that should kind of really weigh you out. Friday do legs again, and then you have Saturday and Sunday off, and then start on upper body, and then legs. And I'm going to recommend you take Wednesday off. If you really are hitting it like you're supposed to, you need Wednesday off, and then do upper body Thursday, and then lower body Friday. Once I get in the groove of things and my body gets used to working out, I'm gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, upper body, and Tuesday and Thursday lower body. I don't know whether I'll maintain that long term. Long term, I don't want to be working out that much. I just want to maintain what I built up, and typically you can do that with just push-ups. But I'm going to just work out, do upper body twice a week and lower body twice a week still. Lower body doesn't take that long, so I don't recommend skipping that. So this is it. That's all I got for this week. I will see you guys next week.